Hello friends, in the previous video, I explained you the descriptive statistics using various functions. In this video, I'll explain you how we can find descriptive statistics for our data using data analysis toolpack. So for that, firstly, we need to have the data. As you can see in this Excel file, we are having the data of weight, the same data which we have used in the previous video. Here, to get the descriptive statistics using the data analysis toolpack, firstly, we need to go in the data menu. You need to click on the data menu. After clicking to the data tab or data menu, you need to go to the data analysis. And once you will click on the data analysis, you will be landed on the data analysis descriptive. You will be landed on the data analysis dialog box. Here you can see by default descriptive statistics is selected from the Excel. So you need to go with this option. You can select this if it is not selected, and then you can press on OK button. Once you will press on OK button, you would be landed on the descriptive statistics dialog box. Here in the first section, it is asking us to provide the range of the data. So friends, here there are two ways to supply the range. First way is you can give the range of your data without selecting the label of the data. Or second is you can give the range of your data by selecting the label. So it is totally up to you, the whatever way you want to select the range. I am selecting my range of the data using the or including the label of the data. So you can see I have selected the range of the data. Now the next section is asking us grouped by columns or rows. So by default option is column, and you can see the data is arranged in the column. So that is our data is grouped by column. So we will go with the by default option. Then I have selected the data including the label of the data, that is weight. So I am selecting this checkbox. Remember, if you are not selecting your data including the label, that is the heading of your column, in that case you do not need to check this box, or else your results will be affected. Then in the next section, the Excel is asking us about the output options. So there are three ways. The first one is output range. That means if you want to generate your output in the same sheet, you need to give the range from on which cell you want to generate the output. Second one is the new worksheet. If you want to generate your output in the new worksheet, you can go with the second option. And the third option is asking us about the new workbook. Means if you want to generate altogether your data in the new workbook, that is also possible. But here, for the sake of understanding, I'm going with the first option, that is output range. And once you will go to that, you need to click on the adjacent dialog box, and then you need to select the cell which is blank in your sheet. So any of the blank cell you can select, and that way Excel will understand that we want to generate our output in this particular cell. Now, further, you need to check the box summary statistics to generate the descriptive statistics. Next is the confidence level of mean. If you want to generate confidence level of mean at 95%, it is by default given. But if you want to change something, you can select this box and you can make changes in the percent. If not, you can go with the deselection of this also. Both are possible. Kth largest means by default it is giving you the first largest, that is the maximum value. Kth smallest is the suppose here it is by default 1, so it is giving you the first smallest. But if suppose I am selecting this and I want to inquire about the third largest figure of the weight, so that also possible for me to do. Similarly, similarly the kth smallest. So here whatever the smallest figure I want to get, so I want to get fifth smallest value of the weight. So friends, this way, this is all about the descriptive statistics here. You can only click OK button to generate the output. So you can see once I'm clicking on OK, I would able to get the output. So now you can see this is the output using the descriptive statistics from the data analysis tool. Now you can see the mean figure is or the mean weight is 50.43. Standard error of mean is 0.77. Median value of the mean is 50.5. Mode is 52. Standard deviation of weight is 4.25. Sample variance of weight is 18.11. Kurtosis figure is minus 0.79. Skewness is minus 0.15. Range is 16. The formula for range is the maximum minus minimum value. Then minimum figure is 52 or the minimum weight is 42. Maximum weight is 58. Sum of the weight is 1513. Count, total count or total weight observations are 30 in number. The third largest of the weight is 56 and fifth smallest of the weight is 45. So friends, this way using the data analysis tool pack also we can find descriptive statistics in a one click only. So this is a very simple and easy process to get the descriptive statistics in Excel. I hope this video will help you out to understand how you can find descriptive statistics. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay connected. Stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you. Happy learning.